How to open Bendigo Bank account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari. Let's head over to Safari for now. Once you're in here, in the search bar, search for Bendigo Bank Sign Up. Different sites will be visible to you. Head over to the very first one. It will land you on the official page of Bendigo Bank. Now click on Login at the top right corner and then select the category that you want to create. Let me click on e-banking. It will land you on this interface. Scroll down and then click on Register. It will lead you to the page where you will be able to create Bendigo Bank account. You will have to fill up the information that will be asked here. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. Once you fill up this information, the other thing you need to fill up is your personal information and then do the ID verification. Select your specific card and then click on Apply or Save. Once you have entered all of the information, your Bendigo Bank account will be created successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to open Bendigo Bank account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.